Packing for a trip, whether it be a holiday, a work trip, or a required visit to family, can feel like trying to solve a jigsaw puzzle. How do you make sure to pack everything you need while still adhering to the regulations set forth by the TSA? Additionally, accidents occur, people lose things, things can be stolen, and the prices at the airport for goods and services are high. To ensure that you have a pleasant trip, prepare ahead of time and pack each of these items carefully into your carry-on luggage. 1. A water bottle that is collapsible and has a filtration system. Because airplanes lack humidity, the miniature water bottles that passengers get upon boarding are not sufficient to keep passengers adequately hydrated for the duration of the journey. After traveling through security, you can fill a collapsible water bottle equipped with a filter with water from the faucet once you've reached your destination. In addition, even when they are full, they take up less space than a conventional reusable bottle would. 2. Regular medication. If you pack your medications in your checked luggage, not only do you incur the risk of having them stolen, but if your luggage goes missing, you'll also find it extremely difficult to obtain a replacement while you're away from your regular pharmacy. In addition to the drugs prescribed to you by a doctor, make sure to pack in your carry-on any over-the-counter medications that you might require during the flight. 3. Charger for the phone. It doesn't matter how long the battery life is on your phone, you still shouldn't trust that it will have enough power to get you to your hotel. Keep your phone's charger on you just in case it needs a quick boost, especially if all the information you need to get from point A to point B is stored in your inbox for your email account. 4. Bring along any and all necessary documentation for the duration of the trip. It goes without saying that you should never put your wallet, passport, or airline tickets in your bag. If you have physical tickets for train rides or activities, such as the ballet or sports, an invitation with an address on it, or any other paperwork that do not have a digital counterpart, make sure to put those in your carry-on luggage. In addition, it is a good idea to print down any itineraries, directions, or tickets that you have saved on your phone just in case something goes wrong. 5. Any valuables. Although airports and airlines are making more efforts to prevent the theft of luggage, incidences are still occurring. Always remember to bring along your pricey stuff, such as your computer, jewelry, and camera, as well as any other items that fall into this category. Even individual items of clothes have been taken from suitcases. Therefore, you should presume that whatever you spend a significant amount of money on should be kept in your carry-on luggage. 6. Entertainment. If you don't think that simply staring out the window will keep you entertained for the entirety of the flight, pack a book, a magazine, a game, or some other form of entertainment. However, you should avoid bringing large hardcover books because they will make your bag heavier. Instead, consider stocking your e-reader or audiobook library. However, you should bring a magazine for takeoff and landing because all electronic devices must be stored under the seat in front of you during those times. 7. A different pair of underwear. Keep a spare pair of underwear with you just in case your checked luggage goes missing or you decide you need a quick change after the flight. 8. Toothbrush, toothpaste, and facial wipes all fit under this category. Before you leave the airport, it is important to clean your teeth and wash your face in order to make a positive first impression at your final destination. If you keep a limited selection of personal items in your carry-on bag, you won't have to dig through your suitcase in front of other people when you need anything. 9. Outfits suitable for the environment. Are you planning on escaping the bone-chilling winter by traveling to the tropics? To adjust to the new weather, make sure to include a change of clothes in the carry-on bag you have with you. You definitely don't want to begin your trip by passing out from the heat. 10. A snack that's just right. Prepare your own lunch or snack in case the small bag of pretzels and the can of Coke that a kind flight attendant offers you aren't enough to satisfy your hunger throughout the flight. If it is wrapped and does not contain any liquids, it should be fine to pass through security. In addition to this, it is unquestionably a more cost-effective alternative to purchasing a pre-made sandwich at the airport. Also, leave your sweatshirt at home. You won't need it. Because the temperature inside an airplane tends to be quite low, you should make sure to bring a warm sweater or jacket and socks with you on your trip, but you shouldn't put it in the carry-on bag with your other belongings. Sweatshirts and jackets are not considered one of the 2 free bags that you are allowed to bring on an airplane. Therefore, you can save valuable space in your luggage by draping them over your arm. What are your flight essentials? Have I missed something? Don't forget to share your thoughts in the comments section below. To see more, please like and subscribe.